Good morning, guys. Thought I'd give you a little update on how the room's coming. Got my quarter arcades. My Geek cabinet, complete with a hard drive, disc player for a Commodore 64, still in the box, Atari, some games. Evel Knievel, a few games, Evel Knievel Chargers, autographed by Flash Gordon, autographed by the guy that made Cubert. Actual cell used during the production of Flash Gordon cartoon 79. Carol Shelby autographed picture. A couple autographs from Journey. Autographed by lead guitar guy at the Cult. More Evel Knievel stuff. Actual Bigfoot still in box. That guy used to hang out and cuss at us all the time. Gunnery Sergeant Emery. Got some more arcades up here. These are my big arcades. Mortal Kombat, it's got about 10 games on it. $6 Million Man. Tempest, and about 8 other games. Coin Pusher. Lunch boxes that still need put up. Galaga. Here's my Legends pinball machine. I modded it to also play vertical arcade games besides pinball. And here's the big Mac Daddy here.
Exit system.
And as I've said before, these are your systems. So it's got about 200 different systems. And it just keeps going and going and going. Some of the old school ones. And whenever you find the system you want, get into the system. And about 5,000 of the quarter op games from back in the days when we used to hit up the arcades. Some more Evel Knievel stuff. Couple of Rod's favorite engines. Some more stuff I gotta hang up on the shelves. A quilt my mom made. The gun factory. 3D printer. And my PC setup. Complete with pimpin' LEDs. And I got a KVM set up for my two systems. Another shelf. Some autographs from the movie They Live. Bunch of games that haven't been unboxed yet. Stompers, AFX, track car. All my discs for my Commodore 64. It's coming, but it's still going to take a while. You guys have a great day.